What do you recommend? Can I pay by card?
I'm not sure what to order. What would you suggest?
I'd recommend our signature fried rice.
Is it popular with tourists?
Yes, but locals love it too.
Could I try a small portion?
Certainly, we offer half portions.
What local dish would you recommend?
Our grilled chicken is the most popular.
What makes it special?
It's marinated in traditional spices.
Could I have one portion?
Absolutely, I'll prepare it now.
How spicy is this dish?
It's moderately spicy.
Could you make it a little milder?
Certainly, I'll use less chili.
Will it still taste authentic?
Yes, the flavor will remain the same.
Could I customize the noodles?
Certainly. What would you like to change?
Could you add more vegetables?
Absolutely.
Can you leave out the onions?
No problem at all.
How large is the regular portion?
It's usually enough for one person.
Would the large portion be enough to share?
Yes, 2 people could easily share it.
Could we get an extra plate?
Certainly.
How is this dish usually prepared?
It's grilled over charcoal.
How long does it take to cook?
Usually about 10 minutes.
Is each portion made to order?
Yes, we cook everything fresh.
What ingredients are used in this dish?
Mostly chicken, vegetables, and spices.
Does it contain any peanuts?
No, this particular dish doesn't.
Is the sauce made from scratch?
Yes, we prepare it fresh every morning.
Do you accept contactless payments?
Yes, you can tap your card here.
Can I pay with cash instead?
Of course, either method is fine.
Could I get a receipt afterward?
Certainly, I'll give you one.
Which dish sells the most here?
Our grilled beef skewers are the best seller.
What do they come with?
They're served with rice and spicy sauce.
Would one portion be enough for 2 people?
I'd recommend ordering 2.
Could you make this drink less sweet?
Sure, I'll reduce the syrup.
Can you leave out the condensed milk?
Of course.
Will it taste much different?
It'll be lighter but still refreshing.
What would you recommend for a group of 4?
I'd suggest 3 dishes to share.
Could we get different levels of spiciness?
Yes, I can prepare them separately.
How long will the whole order take?
Around 15 minutes.
How much is a serving of these noodles?
It's $8 per serving.
Does that include the toppings?
Yes, all standard toppings are included.
Is there an extra charge for meat?
Only $2 more.
How long is the current waiting time?
Around 15 minutes.
Is there somewhere I can sit?
Yes, there are tables behind the stall.
Will you call me when it's ready?
Yes, I'll let you know.
Is the line always this long?
Usually during dinner hours.
How long is the wait right now?
Roughly 20 minutes.
Is there a quieter time to come?
Try coming before 6.
What kind of oil do you use for frying?
We use vegetable oil.
How often do you replace it?
We change it regularly throughout the day.
Could you grill mine instead?
Yes, that'll be no problem.
Was this seafood delivered today?
Yes, it arrived today. It came early this morning.
Is everything cooked to order?
Yes, we prepare it once you order.
Which seafood is freshest today?
I'd go with the prawns.
Could you make this drink less sweet?
Sure, I'll reduce the syrup.
Can you leave out the condensed milk?
Of course.
Will it taste much different?
It'll be lighter, but still refreshing.
Do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, our vegetable noodles are completely meat-free.
Does the sauce contain fish sauce?
No, we use soy sauce instead.
Could you prepare one without eggs?
Of course, that's no problem.
What's this dessert made from?
It's made from sticky rice and coconut milk.
Is it usually served warm or cold?
Traditionally, it's served warm.
Would you recommend it after a spicy meal?
Absolutely, it balances the flavors nicely.
I've never tried this before. What's it like?
It's slightly sweet with a smoky flavor. Is it something locals eat regularly? Yes, it's a traditional favorite.
Would you recommend trying it for the first time?
Definitely, it's one of our specialties.
Could I get this to take away?
Of course, I'll pack it for you.
Will it stay warm for 30 minutes?
It should stay warm in this container.
Could you pack the sauce separately?
Certainly, that's a good idea.
May I see the menu, please?
Certainly, here it is.
What is today's special?
Our grilled chicken rice is very popular.
Do you recommend it?
Yes, it's our best seller.
Can I have an iced tea?
Sure.
Do you have a large size?
Yes, we do.
Can I have less ice?
Of course.
Is this dish spicy? Yes, it's a little spicy. Can you make it less spicy? Yes, we can. Will it still taste good? Absolutely.
Is my order ready?
Not yet.
How much longer will it take?
About 5 minutes.
Will you call my number?
Yes, we will.
Is that table available?
Yes, I think it's empty.
Can we sit there?
Sure, let's go.
Can you save the seats?
Of course. Does this salad contain nuts?
No, it doesn't.
Does it have cheese?
Yes, it does.
Can you remove the cheese?
Certainly.
Perfect, I will order it then.
Would you like to try my noodles?
Yes, thank you.
How does it taste?
It's really delicious.
Would you like some more?
Yes, please.
Are you finished eating? Yes, I am. Should we clean the table? Yes, let's do that. Can you throw away the trash? Sure.
Did you enjoy your lunch?
Yes, it was excellent.
Would you like to come back next week?
I'd love to.
See you next time.
See you.